That's 5 investing apps that let you invest for free. We live in the 21st century, and this is the best time to invest. Science and technology have made this planet a mobile world. We got you covered if you are searching for the best investing apps to get your financial life back on track. We got you covered. A financial app can handle routine financial tasks, shuffle money into investment accounts, and track spending. And now, investing is becoming easier and cheaper than ever. Investing comes with few guarantees, and this makes it to be risky. So, invest smartly. You can always start with a small amount of money. You don't need to wait until you have lots of money before starting to invest. With your smartphones and a good internet connection, and the apps I'm going to list here, you are good to go. Before we dive into the main discussion, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the notification button to always get our latest videos on making money online. Here are the best investing apps that let you invest for free. 1. Fidelity is a mobile app that allows you to invest for free. It offers a range of commission-free ETFs. It helps the majority of investors to build a balanced portfolio. Fidelity also offers fractional share investing. This means you can invest dollar-based, and not just share-based. Fidelity IRAs also have no minimum to open and maintenance fee. This means you can deposit $5 and invest it for free. It is indeed a free investing app. 2. Vanguard. You don't pay any commissions when you buy and sell Vanguard ETFs. They are known as the low-cost investment service provider. If you are a Voyager, Flagship Select, or Voyager Select service client, you don't have to pay the account service fee. Vanguard doesn't charge a commission if the amount of competitors' funds and ETFs is high. 3. M1 Finance. M1 is one of the best investing apps and platforms. M1 is the perfect place for anyone looking for a way to create and maintain a free, diversified portfolio of stocks and ETFs. Finally, M1 Finance has an investment bonus offer. You can get up to $2,500 if you deposit money into your account. 4. TD Ameritrade offers commissions-free ETFs from Isher, Vanguard, and others. You may have heard of TD Ameritrade if you are trading. They are more compelling to use as an investing app. They also offer free commission stock, ETFs, and options trades. You don't need to pay any amount on minimum and maintenance fee IRAs. It makes TD Ameritrade a better option to opt in, and enjoys the benefits right away. 5. Robinhood is an app that lets you buy and sell stocks for free. You can make limit order and stop loss order too. Users can buy or sell stock at the market price. Serious investors should pair Robinhood with one or more free research tools. It will surely help develop a systematic approach to investing. They also allow options, fractional shares, and cryptocurrency investing, but these are limited as well. Robinhood makes money through Robinhood Gold. It is a margin account that allows you to buy and sell after hours. Buying on margin doubles your expected returns. Fidelity, Vanguard, M1 Finance, TD Ameritrade, and Robinhood apps are great for beginners. They make it easy for those just starting to invest. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't forget to drop a comment below.